All right, today is very exciting because I'm doing one unboxing. All right, this is what I get today. Let me see if you can see that in the screen. Okay, good. Very exciting. What am I getting? Another Goruck bag. Why am I getting another Goruck bag? Very simple, because this is something I cannot pass up. Okay, I have a Goruck GR1 in 26 liter, but today is different. This exactly is what I love about bag. I will show you why. I know I shouldn't buy another one, but I did. So let me do it unboxing. All right, let's get my knife here. Okay, let's do some unboxing. I'll only do unboxing once of this bag, so if I fail for some reason, I'm just gonna upload it. There's no second time when it comes to unboxing. It is what it is. All right, I'm so excited. You have no idea. Oh my goodness, well packed. Well, I buy this second-handed from a used. It's a new one, but I buy it from a fellow local seller. So not eBay, it's just a local guy I come across. All right, what is that? Ta-da! This is the Goruck GR1 Heritage in 21 liter. This is wax canvas. Oh my goodness, it looks so cool. All right, embrace the suck. Gotta do that. Okay, embrace the suck. I'll find a place to put this. Oh my goodness. Okay, very beautiful. I'm gonna open it. All right, let's see it. A brand new. This thing is not cheap, I can tell you that. But I gotta have it, okay? And you will see why. I will tell you why. Here you go. 21 liter. Okay. Color is field tan with a removable Velcro. I think this bag is pretty new. I don't really follow Goruck on a daily basis. So, but I think this bag is like released a month or two ago. Some kind of limited edition, 100 within 100 per color per size. Okay, I love the tan, so I get the tan. To me, the oak and the olive is a bit too dark. And when it comes to bag, I like the leather and the canvas itself has a higher color contrast. So this one truly does. Okay, so I buy the tan. You can see the front. I heard that the zipper is amazing. Let me see if it's true. Oh yeah, it's pretty nice. Yeah, it's brand new. It will take a little bit time to break in, just like everything else in life. That's the inside here. Okay, you can see there's some moly wrapping here. A pouch for document or for laptop. I'm gonna put my iPad or MacBook here. Same as GR1 design, of course. You have the upper pocket and the mesh pocket. Exactly like my bag, except it's not as tall. You know, this is, I think it's only about 18 inches tall. Perfect for EDC, to be honest. Cool, and I love this Goruck leather patch. I don't have this one. I have the other one. Let me show you. I have the side by side here. The leather one, the American flag. But this one, I love this one. This is the Goruck branded one. Okay, so you can see side by side, 21, 26. A little bit taller. The width, let's see. Pretty much a little bit wider too. Okay, so to me, this one for EDC is slightly too big. Good for day trip or camping or one day, you know, going. I used to travel when before COVID. I used to travel to San Francisco. So for me, a day trip from Southern California to North California is a perfect bag, right? But this one is perfect for everyday carry to me. Some people may say it's too big, but for me it's good because I like to put a jacket into it on top of my daily DDC equipment and also a laptop. So to me, I like slightly bigger than exactly what I need so I can put a jacket. Okay, so here's the front, you can see side by side here one more time. All right, slightly taller. And the bottom is also leather. Beautiful. And the top, oh, sorry, there's shake. All right, it should be fine. Okay, and the top is also leather. Okay, this is a Army Duck Field tan color. Okay, here, right there. Oh, and the handle is really nice. So look at the stitching. It's really amazing how much time they put into stitching. And I love the when it comes to Goruck, I love the shoulder strap because it's very chunky, very comfortable over time. All right, and looks like there's some more leather right here. It says kind of for aesthetic. Really well built. Really well built. So you're gonna say, why do you need another Goruck bag? Very simple. I want an EDC with a Goruck bag, but I don't like to do it with the 26. I think it's slightly too big for me. And 21 it will be perfect. Okay. I actually have purchased another Goruck bag, but I am going to show that to you later. Okay. It's also, that one is for rugging, but this one is for EDC. Okay, so I have 3 in total now. Okay. Perfect for one day. Perfect for EDC. Okay, so let's see. Why the hell am I buying it? Very simple, because it's wax canvas. You know, my favorite brand is Filson and Goruck. And this is like, you know, the Filson Journeyman married a Goruck GR1 and have a kid. This will be the bag, right? Canvas, leather, and Goruck style and quality is unbeatable. I don't understand. I understand why it's so expensive, and now I understand why it's like our stock in one day. You know, this is like, I know expensive, but this will last you over a lifetime and more. Okay, and I think they have a wonderful scar lifetime warranty. So if there's anything wrong with it, send it back. They'll take care of it. Perfect. All right, so check this out. I'm sure you can find this in eBay for a ridiculous price, but I mean, buy one, cry once. I don't really care. I just need to get one. So, okay, because God knows when Goruck will release another canvas, you know, GR1 like this. I just don't know. I'm not an addict, so I don't follow Goruck every single day. So when I see it, I know I have to have it. This is a, you know, a canvas backpack with this quality and this look. To me, is unbeatable. Okay. All right, guys. I hope you like this video. Give me some comment. What do you think about the Heritage edition? Did you get a 21, 26? What color and why? Okay, I want to know from you. And I'm gonna do a review after I use it for a while and share with you what I think about it. And also I have another Goruck bag, but I'm not going to show you and tell you what that is. To me, that one is a little bit of a unicorn, something that is very hard to come by. But I happen to get it, so I'll show you after I've been using it a little bit of time so I can have more experience of it before I talk about it. All right, guys, good luck. I hope you like Goruck, and that's another Goruck bag. Thank you. Bye-bye.